have a tower here that I think the importance of that tower, to me, is much more from a city planning point of view or from a city design point of view than necessarily from an architectural point of view. What's important in terms of the city is that it is a landmark that helps people navigate, helps people understand where they are, and it does give a sense of grandeur, I think. And it's a musical instrument, and it actually develops concerts and different kinds of activities. For universities, it developed a sense of memory, a sense of tradition, and a very vivid imagery for the students after they leave the university.